If you want to learn how to make this simple cutscene system, make sure to stay until the end of the video to find out. And before we get into the video, make sure to click the first link down below for quality assets. Enjoy the video. Okay, so I made this simple cutscene system setup that you can just copy. So it uses only one local script which you can put inside the startup GUI, and it uses camera parts. Well, these are actually normal parts, but this is what will be the camera will set with Tweening service, and this is the part that triggers the cutscene. So here's the entire script. You can copy it if you want, and I will explain to you what it does. So first of all, we get Tweening service, and then we get the camera. And the reason why we are using the local script is because you can only get the camera inside the local script. You can't get the camera inside the server script. Then we have the cutscene time, which you can set however much you want this time from moving from one camera part to the second one to be. And then we have some tween info. So the first instance is time, which is a number. The second one is easing style. Then we have easing direction. You can put this in, out, out or in. I'll put it in, out for now. Then this is the repeat count, which I will put to 0. So this is how many times I want the tween to repeat, and I want it to do only one time, so I set it to 0. And this is if it reverses back, and I will put that to false. And this is a delay time, so if we trigger this, and then if you want to like delay the tween animation by like 1 second, if something else needs to load, then you can just put here the number of seconds you want. Then we have the function static camera, which uses a part, and first here we set the camera type to scriptable, so we can manipulate the camera inside of the script. And then what this does is really simple. It just sets, I think, okay, it says this part. So the part that I put here is game.workspace.cam2. What this does is basically just puts the camera inside of this part for, I think, 3 seconds. Yeah, test.wait 3 seconds. And then we here fire another tween function. So then the tween function, what this does is just tween store parts. So your camera goes from part 1 to part 2. And I also sent a character. So if the character is sent, then the anchor of the humanoid root part is set to false. So first of all, we also make the camera type scriptable. And then we put the camera to the part 1 C-frame. Then we get the tween, which is a tween service to create the tween. Here we put a camera that we want to tween, and then the tween info, which is this, with what we wrote here, and then the C-frame. Then we can play the tween, and once the tween is completed, so you can also, instead of the wait, you can also do connect and then function. But I think wait is much more simple, so then everything that is written down here will occur after this wait is completed, or actually when the tween completes. And here we put the camera type to custom, so the camera locks onto the character that will be here again. And then if the character was sent, so as you can see down here, in this function we send the character, because here we put the humanoid root part .anchor to true. So the character can't move around during the cutscene. Okay, and then this is the final function. So first of all, we need to get a debounce, so you can trigger the cutscene every second, because otherwise that will look really weird and won't even work properly. So then if not debounce, so if the debounce value is false, because it has not in front of it, then we want to put it to true, so it can trigger again. And then we get the character, which is really easy in here because this is a local script. Then we get the humanoid. And what this does, you don't need to add this. I will show you how it looks without it. So active tracks is basically all the animations that are playing. So walking, idle animation, jumping, anything like that. And we stop it here because I will show you how it looks if we don't do that. And now this doesn't necessarily mean that this will happen every time, but for example, if you're walking, and as you can see my character is still walking, so to fix that we just turn off all the animations inside of the character so it doesn't look weird. And here is all the triggers for the tween function and static camera, and then we can just wait and the amount of the time that needs for this cutscene to finish. And then I added 2 seconds, so we have a little bit of debounce time, and then we set debounce to false, which again allows us to trigger the cutscene system. So that's all you really need for this cutscene system. It's really easy to use. You can just copy the script I showed you on the screen, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also join the Discord down below if you want to suggest a video or need help with scripting. Thanks for watching.